In a world where competition is fierce, standing out isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. This is why it's foolish to play games on an even playing field. If you want to dominate your space, you need a business moat, a unique advantage that makes your success difficult to replicate. The strongest moats aren't built on fleeting trends or copyable tactics. They are constructed through deep, intrinsic advantages that competitors simply cannot mimic. The ultimate business moat, when you are the niche. If your business is an extension of your unique skills, insights, and network, competitors are left with no roadmap to copy you. Your perspective, experience, and relationships create an impossible to destroy fortress around your success. So, how do you build an unshakable business moat? Let's break it down. Number 1, relationships. The moat no one can steal. A major component of an unbreakable business moat is relationships. The deeper and stronger your connections, the harder it is for competitors to penetrate your space. Relationships give you exclusive access, whether it's industry events, high-value masterminds, or trusted suppliers. Being in the right circles gives you a distinct advantage. Favorable treatment, longer payment terms, premium support, insider deals, and special privileges are all benefits that come from strong relationships. These advantages often seem small, but compound into a formidable moat. Trust and reputation. Years of trust building in an industry cannot be fast-tracked. When people know you deliver, they default to you over a newcomer every time. Your network isn't just an asset, it's a competitive fortress. Most people won't put in the time to cultivate these relationships, which makes them incredibly valuable. Number 2, stacking operational edges. A wide moat isn't created through just one advantage. It's the stacking of multiple small edges that makes competition impossible. Think of operational edges as small inefficiencies that work in your favor. Faster execution, the ability to move quickly and seize opportunities before others. Higher efficiency, streamlined processes, better negotiation tactics, or optimized workflows. Better data and insights, having access to knowledge and intelligence that others don't. Unique strategy and positioning, seeing angles competitors are blind to. Each small edge compounds over time. Alone, they may not seem game-changing. Together, they form a moat so wide that competitors can't cross it. Number 3, the power of access, having what others don't. Access is a massive moat. It can take many forms. Information edge, knowing things before the general public does. Whether it's market shifts, industry trends, or insider knowledge, having superior intel is a massive advantage. Experience edge, the ability to execute at a high level because of lessons learned over time. Distribution edge, owning a distribution channel that gives you priority over competitors. Example, email lists, exclusive media relationships, private communities. Capital edge, more capital means greater resilience, stronger investments, and bigger bets that others can't afford to make. If you consistently put effort into acquiring things, knowledge, strategies, relationships that others don't have, you build a competitive moat that is massively high leverage. Number 4, doing what others won't or can't. One of the simplest ways to create a moat, be willing to do what others won't. Willing to fly to extreme locations to film content, that's a moat. Willing to invest in coaching, mentorship, and high-level networks, that's a moat. Willing to grind through setbacks while others quit, that's a moat. Willing to spend on ads and lose money up front to acquire customers while refining a strategy, that's a moat. Every step others refuse to take is a gap in the market waiting to be filled. Most people won't put in the work. They don't have the patience, discipline, or vision to build something truly differentiated. If you do, you've already won. Number 5, betting on yourself, the ultimate moat. Every extra dollar invested in yourself expands your moat. Most people hesitate to make even the smallest investments, which is where you can separate yourself. Some stumble at paying $29 a month for an e-com platform. Others stumble at $1,000 a month for coaching. The bigger the investment, the bigger the barrier to entry. The people who consistently bet on themselves set themselves apart. Those who hesitate, they never even step onto the playing field. The most expensive mistake you can make is never betting on yourself at all. Number 6, turning your natural strengths into an untouchable advantage. Your unique perspective is an unreplicable moat. What's obvious to you that others need explained? What's easy for you that's hard for most people? What do you intuitively understand that others struggle with? The answers to these questions define your unfair advantage. When you focus on your natural strengths, things that come effortlessly to you but are valuable to others, you create a moat that competitors simply cannot bridge. Example, some people struggle to write compelling sales copy. If this comes naturally to you, you have an instant edge. Most will never be able to replicate it at your level. Number 7, the power of intangibles. Not all moats are physical or tactical. Some of the most powerful are intangibles. Examples include personal brand. A strong reputation and presence in your niche makes you the default choice. Unique thought processes. The way you analyze problems and make decisions is difficult to replicate. Resilience and adaptability. The ability to navigate uncertainty and keep moving forward when others hesitate. Vision and creativity. Seeing opportunities where others don't and crafting a unique approach. Your mindset, reputation, and ability to execute consistently form a moat that is nearly impossible to copy. The stronger your intangibles, the harder it is for competitors to match your success. Number 8, the bigger the challenges, the bigger the moat. Every obstacle you overcome makes your business harder to compete with. Building a high-powered team, massive moat. Developing a system or process, massive moat. Creating an elite network through years of relationships, massive moat. Every time you push through challenges that others avoid, your moat widens. People tend to seek easy routes. They want shortcuts. They don't want to face challenges. If you embrace the game, you become untouchable. Final thoughts. Natural moats win every time. The best business moats aren't built on hype. They're built on deep, enduring advantages that can't be easily copied. Number 1, be the niche. If you become the brand, there is no competition. Number 2, cultivate relationships. Connections create leverage that no one can steal. Number 3, stack small edges. Many operational advantages combined make an impenetrable fortress. Number 4, gain access. Whether it's information, distribution, or capital, what you have that others don't is your moat. Number 5, do what others won't. The harder the path, the stronger the position. Number 6, bet on yourself. The more you invest in yourself, the less competition you have. Number 7, intangibles, can't be duplicated. Number 8, embrace challenges. Every obstacle makes your business harder to replicate. The more you stack these principles, the wider your moat becomes. And when your moat is wide enough, competition ceases to be a concern. You operate in a league of your own. Build your business the right way, and you won't just win, you'll dominate. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in the description for more.